In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer the complete data from your Apple iPhone to any Android phone. First of all, I will need to make sure that this phone is backed up to the cloud. From your Apple ID, you will be going to iCloud and turn on everything here. So photos is on, reminders is on, messages I need to turn on, and iCloud backup, this is on, WhatsApp is on. So all of them is on. I'll be simply going into the iCloud backup and backup now. So I'll wait for the backup to complete. So what it shows now, it's estimating the backup time. I'll wait for the backup to complete. I'll show you in this new Android phone, I'll be looking for Smart Switch, and if by default Smart Switch is not available, I'll be downloading Smart Switch app here. Okay, here we go with the Smart Switch. I'll tap in Smart Switch here, continue, and Smart Switch uses these permissions. Okay, I'll just allow all, and now you will receive the data. Instead of sending data, you will receive it to new phone, and I'll be receiving from iPhone. And now it gives me the option USB-C, USB-C cable, or I'll get the data from the iCloud instead. So I'll be typing in the Apple ID here. I'll allow the Apple ID and I'll enter code here. Here you are. Here you can see that the transfer has started. The new phone, Android phone, is searching for iCloud for the data to bring. So it will start searching for the data and it will start bringing in all the data into the new phone. Alright, now the data is being transferred. On Apple phone, all the data has already been uploaded. Right now it's 544 MB. And here you can see it has started downloading. On Android phone. It has various applications, contacts, calendar, photos, and everything is being downloaded. So I'll wait for the download to complete. Data done, transferring your data. As you can see now, the data transfer result, 427 items have been transferred, which includes 7 images, 418 contacts, and data from the apps. I'll just tap next and next, done. So everything is set now.